Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your MSI monitor to your Xbox console. First, make sure you have your Xbox console, your MSI monitor, and an HDMI cable. This cable is important because it carries both video and audio from your Xbox to the monitor. Now take one end of the HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI out port on your Xbox. This port is usually located on the back of the console. Make sure the cable is firmly connected so there is no loose connection. Next, take the other end of the HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI port on your MSI monitor. Most MSI monitors have at least one HDMI input, and some have more than one. Remember which port you used, because you will need to select it in the next step. After connecting the cable, turn your attention to the monitor. Use the joystick or control buttons on the monitor to open the on-screen display menu. This menu lets you control different settings of the monitor. Inside the menu, look for the Input Source option. Select the HDMI input that matches the port where you plugged in the cable. Once selected, your monitor should be ready to receive the signal from the Xbox. Now, turn on your MSI monitor if it is not already on. Then power on your Xbox console. After a few seconds, you should see the Xbox screen appear on your monitor. Thanks for watching.